Protein powder is a billion-dollar industry, with over 70% of gym goers using it regularly. But is drinking protein shakes every day actually safe? Or could it harm your health in the long run? Today, we're diving into the latest research on daily protein powder use, examining the benefits, the proven risks, and what science says about how much is too much. First, let's talk about why protein powder is so popular and what studies actually say about its benefits. Muscle growth. A 2018 meta-analysis in the British Journal of Sports Medicine found that whey protein significantly increases muscle mass when combined with resistance training, weight loss, and satiety. Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that high-protein diets reduce hunger and help maintain lean muscle during weight loss. Convenience. For athletes or busy individuals, shakes provide a quick 20–30 g of protein, which the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition confirms helps with recovery. But here's the catch. Most people don't need extra protein from powders if they're already eating enough whole foods. Now, let's look at the science-backed risks of daily protein powder consumption. A 2020 study in Nephrology Dialysis shows that Transplantation found that excessive protein intake, over 2 g/cows of body weight, can worsen kidney function in those with pre-existing conditions. A 2018 study by the Clean Label Project tested 134 top protein powders and found 70% contained detectable levels of lead, arsenic, or cadmium. Many powders contain lactose or artificial sweeteners like sucralose, which a gut microbes study links to bloating and disrupted gut bacteria. The Journal of Nutrition warns that excess protein, beyond what your body uses, gets converted into fat, not muscle. Another review in 2021 by Reproductive Toxicology found that high soy protein intake may affect estrogen levels, though more research is needed. The risks aren't the same for everyone, but the science shows that quality and dosage matter. Based on research, these groups should be extra cautious with daily protein shakes. Kidney disease patients, those with dairy allergies, people with metabolic disorders, sedentary individuals. If you're in any of these categories, consult a doctor before making protein powder a daily habit. So, how can you minimize risks while still benefiting from protein powder? Here's what research suggests. Third-party tested brands. Look for NSF or Informed Choice certifications. Stick to 1–2 servings/day. ISSN recommends 1.4 to 2 kg for athletes, not more. Mix with whole foods. Prioritize eggs, fish, and legumes for balanced nutrition. Hydrate well. Harvard Health Notes. Water helps kidneys process protein. Cycle off periodically. No long-term studies confirm safety beyond 10+ years. Remember, protein powder is a supplement, not a replacement for real food. The bottom line? Daily protein powder isn't inherently dangerous, but overuse or low-quality products can pose real risks. Always prioritize whole foods and choose tested brands. What's your take? Have you experienced side effects from protein powder? Drop a comment. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more science-backed health content.